Hi, I'm Cameron with SignMaster.com, and today we're going to be talking about the Zund G3 L-3200. It's designed for flexible materials and rigid boards. We cut lots of different things on here: paper, vinyl. I primarily use it for vinyl and banners. It's designed for both of those. We've actually been able to cut some plastics, styrene. Some really big, important jobs have come through on styrene, and it's really hard for some of our other machines to cut them. And this machine, the Zund, is way more precise when it comes to any of the blade action it's got going on or how it's moving. And one of the big parts that it has is a variable vacuum. So it'll actually create vacuum zones on this bed. So if you don't need half of the Zund, well, this vacuum is on and it's only this zone. But then you can also determine how much suction you're going to get out of those zones. So you can have, on a scale of 1 to 10, maybe you need a 5 for vinyl. Or if you're going to banner, you need a 10. And that's been very helpful with keeping things on the bed, especially when it comes to plastic. When you have anything that's more rigid and your blade just cuts through it, well, you're going to have a tendency to move. With the 10 vacuum setting on here, you don't have that problem. You can cut right through it. As far as maintenance goes on the Zund, basically you come in every day, you make sure the blades are sharp, they're clean, and then maybe you oil the rails once a month. And it's very easy to maintain. You'll check the belt, make sure everything's clean. Maybe you want to vacuum the top. Very easy to maintain. This thing has saved my hide a couple different times, especially when it comes to plastic or magnetic materials. We'll cut a lot of magnetic materials, and they'll be shape cut. So we'll have keys, parts, anything, and they'll be really close together, really close to the edge of the material. I can cut as close as 1/1000th of an inch on this machine on any material. Overall, I love this machine. This is probably my favorite machine in the shop. And since it's a bed and you get a vacuum, you don't have to worry about, oh, is my material rolled properly? Is there a kink in the roll? You don't have to worry about that. Overall, I love this machine. I use it every day, and I use it for a long time every day. Multiple hours. You know, I come in at 8, don't leave till 5, and this thing is basically running as long as I am. It's great, it's precise, it's fast, and I really couldn't ask for a better machine.